Okay.
Water, bud. He's afraid of water, so. Good boy. Oh, yeah. On your nose. Now let me put some on your body, okay? Good boy. Good boy, Gemini.
Is it possible to zoom in on this?
Yeah,
How?
with the zoom button.
What's the zoom button?
By the big button.
Oh!
Good boy. Good boy, Gemini. We're going to try and wash you then. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have him in here, and I'm gonna have somebody else with a hose him down as I'm gonna put my water over here. Come on, bud.
Do you want to give him a treat?
Sure. You want a treat, Chad? What are you guys doing? I tried putting water on him.
No, giving him a treat. Hi there.
He was fine with it. Put it on his face, and I put it on his back. Gemini, you want a treat? Nom, nom, nom. Oh, yes. Who's a good boy? Come on. Come with me.
It's hot outside.
Let's try the other way. I gotta get to the other side first.
I'm gonna